Next, what I'm going to show you is a roof by extrusion. So we've just drawn roof by footprint. So we're in a plan view, we've drawn the footprint, we've made it have a pitch, be it flat roof and so on. So we can also draw unusual shapes by using the extrusion tool. So first thing, again, I'm just going to draw a small shape. So this would be my building. For the roof by extrusion, we do not draw it in a plan view. So we'll need to either go into our elevation view or a section view. So I'm going to use my section view. If the section view is pointing in the wrong direction, just select it, hit the flipping arrow, double tapping on the beak to open up the section view, and there's the side of my building. So with the roof tool, if you hit the drop down arrow, we've been drawing roof by footprint. Next is the roof by extrusion. So I select that. So next it's asking me what work plane do I want to work to. So because we're working in 3D, it wants to know what surface am I working from. So what we can do is we can pick a plane, press OK, and then selecting the face of that brickwork. And next it's asking me my roof reference level and offset. So yes, I want my roof to be on my roof level with no offset, so I'll press OK. So we're now going to draw our extrusion shape. And how the extrusion works is we'll draw one single line. Again, it will be represented by a pink line. So it doesn't need to be closed. It will just be one single line like we drew the railings. So now we've got to create the roof profile. Just again using our tools from the draw panel here. What I'm going to use is the spline tool. So the spline tool is very much like CAD. So every time we click, we place a vertex, which will then create a curve between each one of those vertexes. So I'll click to start. Every time I click, I'll get a small curve between each point. And finish. Enter to finish. So there is my profile. When I hit my green tick to finish, the roof itself will extrude out, and because we set our reference plane on the face of that brickwork, it will go in that direction. Green tick to finish. And there we have our roof extrusion. Using the grips, again, I can extend it out or retract it. And of course I can double tap to go back in to change the shape of it if it's not satisfactory. As well, we can select it, go to our type selector and change the type.